All right, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be talking about my plans for this year. I know I've been off grid for a while, but life just sort of happened. I've been up to quite a lot. I'm also switching job soon, so it's been quite a lot of stuff for me. So now I'm back. I'll be making more videos from like basics to advanced stuff. So most importantly, on this channel, I'll be doing tutorials related to software development and data analytics, data science, whatever. So we'll be focused on things ranging from like JavaScript to TypeScript on the software development side. And one thing that people tend to not like really do a lot of tutorials on, which you might encounter when you start working like in the enterprise world, things related to testing. We talk about different end-to-end snapshots, unit, regression and integration testing, and all those things. We like talk about them because these are stuff that you face when you get to like real working environment. And we also talk about things like static typing. When you come from like JavaScript or even Python, you might not be aware of, or even Ruby, you might not be aware of that. But when you start working on like large projects where you have like multiple people working on it, these are stuff you face. So I'll be talking about things related to that too, like static typing, run type checking, testing and whatnot. So we talk about basics of like things like JavaScript, Python, some Java. We throw in some Java here and there, like Spring Boot framework, just talking about dependency injection, inversion of control, and things related to that. So we talk about front end things, back end, talking about NoSQL, SQL, to REST API, GraphQL, gRPC, and a lot of things. I'll be discussing a lot of things I've been learning myself and things I'm learning as I go. On the data analytics side, we go from basics like understanding the theoretical aspect of going from linear regression to more advanced topics. And we also do some practicals related to this. Sometimes I might not be doing a lot of tutorials because I'm working full-time too, and I also have like some other side projects I'm working on. But I'll try as much as possible to like bring out more valuable videos and blog posts also to you guys. And most importantly, they will be free. I might make some courses here and there, but I'll make the free version. So if you just want to support the channel, that will be there also. I'll also be doing some like just random videos where I talk about different topics, talking about working, work life and challenges you might face, and how I've like tried to maybe overcome or just like get through it and whatnot. I'm just like a lot of topics, and of course you guys can make requests. And most importantly, when we're talking about the front end, I'll be talking about mostly React. We'll be doing React project, and we'll talk about building cross-platform applications where we use frameworks and libraries like Ionic and React Native and React Native Web and all other good stuff, Capacitor, Cordova. I'll be touching those also. And on the back end, we talk about Node Express, and Python we do like Django, Flask, and things like that. For Java, we do Spring Boot and like related application libraries. Just a lot of things. And you guys can of course make requests, and I'll try to make tutorials or like talk about that. We do some projects also. So welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Bye bye. Click the like button too. Don't forget about that. Click the like button for the algorithm, comments below, and subscribe. Bye.